Ukraine has seen this playbook before. Blockades, drone swarms, economic strangulation, these aren't new tactics. They are the same strategies that Vladimir Putin used against Ukraine in the Black Sea. And now Iran is applying that very blueprint in one of the world's most critical choke points, the Strait of Hormuz. But this time, Ukraine isn't just watching, it's preparing to strike back. After Iran supplied Russia with thousands of drones, Ukraine has decided it's time for revenge, not just on the battlefield, but on the global stage. Under the leadership of Volodymyr Zelenskyy, Ukraine is now building powerful new alliances in the Middle East, and at the center of these partnerships lies one key objective: reopening the Strait of Hormuz. This narrow waterway carries nearly 20% of the world's oil and gas. Now, with Iran enforcing a blockade, global energy markets are shaking. Asian economies are feeling the pressure, fuel prices are rising, industries are slowing down, and Gulf nations are losing billions. They need a solution, fast. Ukraine may have the answer, because it has already faced this exact crisis. When Russia blockaded Ukraine's ports in the Black Sea, it nearly destroyed the country's economy. Billions were lost. Trade collapsed. But Ukraine adapted. Instead of matching Russia's naval power, it used something smarter: asymmetric warfare. Ukraine deployed advanced naval drones like the Sea Baby and Magura, targeting Russian warships with precision. It combined these with long-range missile strikes and layered defense systems to protect cargo routes. Slowly but surely, the powerful Russian Black Sea Fleet was pushed back, and today, cargo ships are sailing again. Now, that same strategy is being exported to the Middle East. Countries like Saudi Arabia, Qatar, and United Arab Emirates are turning to Ukraine for help, not just for weapons, but for knowledge, drone warfare, electronic defense, naval tactics. Ukraine is sharing it all. And there's more. Ukraine has developed low-cost interceptor drones capable of destroying Iranian-style attack drones mid-air at a fraction of the cost of traditional missile systems. In some cases, over 70% of incoming drones are neutralized before impact. This is a game-changer. But this isn't just about helping allies, it's strategy. Long-term deals with Gulf nations mean Ukraine secures funding, energy partnerships, and military support for years to come. At a time when the war with Russia continues, these alliances could be critical for Ukraine's survival. There's also a deeper irony. Iran once helped Russia build its drone warfare capability. Now, Ukraine is doing the same, but for Iran's rivals. Meanwhile, the United States, under Donald Trump, did not expect Ukraine to step into this role. But as the crisis grows, Ukraine is positioning itself not just as a victim of war, but as a global military innovator. From the Black Sea to the Persian Gulf, Ukraine is turning experience into influence. And in doing so, it may reshape the balance of power in the Middle East. Because in modern warfare, the most powerful weapon isn't always firepower. Sometimes, it's experience.